Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is Sindhu. So today I'm going to talk about what's in my diaper bag. This is something that I absolutely binge watched when I was pregnant and after I had my baby. So you do not want to miss out on anything when you're going out for the first time with your baby. So you're pretty anxious of what to carry and what not to carry. So this is my diaper bag. I'm going to talk about everything that's in it, and I'm going to tell you what not to miss when you're going out with your baby. So let's get started. This diaper bag is from Amazon. It's I paid 1,200 bucks for this, and I'm going to link this diaper bag below. So it looks like this. We got a neutral color and something that looked like this and not a handbag, just because both me and my husband can carry this comfortably. And even for me, I prefer something like a backpack, because that's more easy to carry when you're holding the baby if you're going out alone, rather than a sling bag or a side bag, because usually babies like when you're carrying it, it comes in the way. So that was uncomfortable for me, so I invested in something like this. I'm gonna take out things from this and show what all is actually in there. And so this bag is something that I carry whenever I step out of the house with my baby. So that can be a mall, that can be just on a long drive, that can be to a relative's place or a friend's place on a play date. So these are all the constants that I'm carrying no matter what occasion and which place we're going to. So the first thing that I'm going to open is this pouch, which is the front pouch, which is where you have to keep something that you will need the most. So the front pouch usually has one or two washcloths. I have a towel, like a hand towel for myself, and then I have a washcloth for Sammy, and then I have a dry tissue packet as well, because again sometimes she just spills things and I need this. And I have a bag here, like just to put her things if she's throwing around things, or if she's like spill something, and then I need to put it in a separate bag because that is too soil to go into diaper bag. So I have a bag here, and one more dry tissue. And these small pouches, these small pouches, one of them usually has milk that I've expressed. So whenever we go out, I usually pump milk in a small bottle and I take it with me, and I feed her just before we leave, so she's set for the next 2.5 hours with that bottle of milk. She'll be happy. And now that she's older, I take the snack box as well. So in one pouch goes the milk bottle. In the second and the third pouch, we usually do not have anything. Right now I have Odomos, because obviously you always need to carry a mosquito repellent whenever you go out with your baby. And yeah, that's it for the front pouch. I usually have my phone here, which I'm recording on currently. So I usually keep my phone in the front pouch as well. And the side pouch usually has her sippy cup. So fill lots and lots of water when you're going out for your baby, and then keep it in here. One without the cut here has the water bottle, and the one with the cut has a washcloth, has two washcloths actually. So yeah, these are emergency washcloths. Usually when you're like holding the baby and you're wearing, it's difficult to just pull it out. So two washcloths in here as well. So let me start taking out things from my diaper bag now and show what all is in there. So the first thing is a swaddle cloth, because babies sleep when you are traveling. If you're going to somebody's place, or if you're going to mall, on the way the babies sleep. And also in strollers, they tend to sleep off when you're pushing them, maybe in a mall or maybe somewhere out. So swaddle blanket is a must. This is something that I learned the hard way. So we went on a 15-day trip to Canada when she was 8 months old. I'm gonna make a separate video about that, and that is when I learned to make kits like this. So this is my diaper kit. Before Canada, I used to always carry diaper and wet wipes and cream separately whenever I used to go to mall, or like hotel for on our dinner dates or lunch dates. But after my long travel, this is what I learned. So these malls have diaper changing area, or these airports have diaper changing area where you like pull down a seat and then you put your baby on that, right? And in malls, or like if you're going to a relative's place or a friend's place, that's fine, you can just carry diapers and wet wipes separately. But if you're going to a mall or a public place in general, those places are extremely dirty and you don't want to take your diaper bag. There is no place to keep your diaper bag there, you'll have to keep it on the floor. So what all this has is diapers, then there is wet wipes, then there is diaper rash cream, and then there are dry wipes, just in case your daughter or son ends up peeing and you'll have to wipe it or something like that. So dry wipes. And I also used to have sheets there. I'll attach the picture of the sheets. So I carry like 5 or 6 sheets to just put on the table and then put your baby on top. So those sheets I currently don't have. I've ordered them. I've ran out of those sheets. So I just put a picture here of the sheet and then I'll link the product below. It's from Amazon again. So those sheets again in this diaper kit. So this diaper kit is an amazing idea. If you're in public place and you need to change the baby's diaper, then just grab onto this kit and run to the diaper changing station. Do not take the whole diaper bag itself. So the third thing is food. So your baby, if you're breastfeeding, then if your baby is small enough and you're just breastfeeding the baby and you're not started solids, then you will not need any of these, the ones that I'm showing next. If your baby has reached the 6th month mark and you've started solid food, and you want to go out and enjoy the time with the baby outside, then you don't have to deprive yourself of that, and you don't have to think that like you cannot go out with a baby. For food, you will need these. So this is another food pouch again, and this is a stacker box. This is actually a formula dispenser box from Ugrow. But I use it as a stacker box for snacks and for Cerelac and stuff like that, because it's easy to carry. It's just like you don't have to carry multiple things. So this Ziploc pouch has a box with a lid. So this is where I make Cerelac or any other food for my baby. So a box with a lid and a spoon. Actually I have 2 spoons just in case she throws one down. So I have 2 spoons in here. So 2 spoons, and then I have a washcloth and a bib. So this is a washcloth to wipe her mouth, and this is a bib. These things again, I just grab onto this. If I have to make like food or something for her, maybe like I have to mix up Cerelac or any other food, I just put it in this and request for some really hot water, and then I do it at the hotels. And if I'm going to a mall or something, then I carry hot water and then I mix it up. So this is our food pouch, and this stacker box is amazing if you're just going out for a drive, or if you're just going out to a friend's place or something and you're just carrying snacks for your baby. Then this has 3 different compartments. So I usually carry like puffs in one compartment. These are baby puffs. So these baby puffs come in one compartment, and the second one will have some kind of cereal to mix it up and give it to the baby, and the third one will have fruits or vegetables, like cooked vegetables or fruits in general, which she enjoys. So this is another thing that comes everywhere with us. And next thing that you cannot forget are toys. And this is something that she is currently playing with. Usually it used to be the squeaker toy or rattle whenever we used to go out. This is what she's currently playing with. I just put it in there. So toys, carry like 2 or 3 toys. If your baby is teething, or if your baby is like too small, then carry more toys, because that'll keep them entertained until you finish your lunch or dinner, and so that like you give one at a time and you keep distracting them. So carry more toys if they are like younger. Next I have disinfectant wipes. This is from Dettol. So if your baby throws things down and you need to desperately give it back to the baby because the baby is like asking for it, then you better wipe it with disinfectant wipe, maybe toys or maybe a spoon or something. So, and also if you're going to public places, it's better to clean even the diaper changing area. Just pick one wipe and just clean the table and then put your baby on that. If you do not have a sheet, then you can do that. So disinfectant wipes is something that I carry again. Then you'll have to carry like a sweater or a jacket for your baby. If you've turned on the AC in the car and if they're feeling cold, then you can just put on this sweater. Next thing that you must carry is extra clothes for your baby. So they spill, they spit up, they poop, and there is a poop explosion sometimes, so you never know what happens. So carry like at least 2 pair of clothes, and carry something that is very easy to put on them. Do not carry like a jumpsuit, or do not carry something that's going to go over their head, because first of all they're in an unknown place and it's very difficult for you to put things on them because they cannot lie down. At home you just put them on the bed, they're lying down on the bed comfortably, and then you can move around their arms and their legs. But outside it's unfamiliar for them, they're already cranky, you don't want to take really complex clothes and try to put it on them. And the next thing is medicine pouch. So this pouch is something that I started doing again after my Canada trip. Initially I used to put it in a zipper at the back. So this bag has a zipper at the back, again for emergencies, and just open, and there is another zipper here. This portion has a zipper here. So initially I used to carry all the medicines in this. There is one medicine, see there's a paracetamol still lying there. So once I did my long trip, I put everything in a Ziploc cover. So I just carry this around wherever we take her. So this is like an emergency thing. Everything that is like used by her, like nasal spray, and like if you have a small baby, the most you will need is a nasal spray and paracetamol and maybe their calcium drops and stuff like that. So yeah, I always have this medicine pouch with me, which goes everywhere, which is always in the diaper bag. So these are the main baby items that I carry. Apart from this, everything else that I'm showing now is like miscellaneous. So this is something that you can choose to carry or not carry. The first thing is an extra pair of sock. It's better to always have a pair of socks in your diaper bag, because just in case you've forgotten to put socks on your baby, then you will have one handy. And then in these small little pouches I have these small things. So I have a headband. So sometimes we forget that as well. Sometimes we forget to dress her up because we are in like a hurry to get out. So I usually have one of this and one of these kind of clips, like a bow clip, just to put it on her, you know, like just in case we are taking pictures. So that's it. Then I'll have my wallet. This is my wallet, and I also have a mosquito repellent cream in here, which is something that even we use if we're outdoor somewhere. And you know, this pouch usually I have some kind of cash, which I currently do not have. I've not put in. So just in case I forget my wallet, just in case I know I'm in a hurry and I've forgotten to take my wallet and I need money for some reason, you know, I keep some cash in here, maybe like 100 or 200 bucks. So those are the things that I absolutely carry when we go out. I swear you guys, I don't miss anything from this. I have actually missed a water bottle. I don't know how that happened. I take a small water bottle which is like for us as well, like which has like hot water in it and which can be used to make Cerelac or you know, like some other ready to eat food. These are things that we carry. Just comment below if you carry anything extra, or if you have any suggestion to add to this diaper bag, so that people watching can get benefited. And thank you so much for watching, you guys. I binge watched what's in my diaper bag video a lot when I conceived. I used to enjoy watching this, so I had so much fun making this video as well. So this is a great idea which I did not know before. So you have to add an underpad or a sheet to this, so that you know, like you can put it on the diaper table in public places. So that is something that I've missed in here. So this diaper kit idea is gold. And also the food kit. So if you're going to mall or someplace and you need to feed your baby there because you're having lunch or dinner, this is an amazing idea. Your bib and your washcloth, everything put in here. And extra pair of clothes and disinfectant wipes. These are things that you cannot forget. So this was my what's in my diaper bag video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for such videos. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye.